There was a gentleman. Was a gentleman on the train, and I came on, and he's lost his wallet, and it's been lost, and it's graceful. Somebody's actually handed it to the other conductor who was coming from Boston to stop at Rockport, and the gentleman, I was assisting him on the train, and just over there, and he just came up to me and said the other conductor had it, and he was grateful and he thanked me. I didn't do much, but I just said, have you tracked back on your exit? And kind of walked around and looked under the seats and everything else, and I helped him out. And he was grateful to come in and say thank you, and he found it. I said, somebody's looking over you and been protected in ways, and beautiful things can happen when you are in certain ways, and that is what I'm bringing to the attention of humanity and all these travels that I experience and engage with, and people say hello to me, and sometimes they say, what a loony. But where you can, whatever is in front of you, you appreciate that it could be you. You don't know. This is how life is. The circumstances surrounding us should not wound us, but he was patient, he was calm, and he had an innocent mind, and that gave him the direction to, I said, speak to the conductor. I said, look back on the ways that you exit and get the other conductor to speak to, or lost and found. It's wonderful. It's not all about what you think. It is what you don't expect and what you don't think can be rewarding. Always. That's how life is. And this journey for me showed that where possible, always reach out, extend your humanity, open up to the humanity, be the human you are. North Station, Boston.